I adopted a baby, and my grandmother fainted when she saw him. I had always wanted to be a mother, but I couldn't have children. After much thought, I adopted a baby. The moment I saw him, I knew he was the one. He had big, bright eyes and a smile that melted my soul. I didn't hesitate. I brought him home, excited to introduce him to my family. When my grandmother saw him, her face went pale. She took a step back, and suddenly, she collapsed. I rushed to catch her. When she regained consciousness, she murmured a name, Matthias. "What did you say, Grandma?" I asked, terrified. Her eyes were filled with tears. She gripped my hand tightly and whispered, "That baby. He looks exactly like my lost son." I froze. My great-uncle had disappeared as a child under mysterious circumstances. No one ever saw him again. But that was impossible. How could an adopted baby look so much like a child who vanished decades ago? I searched through the adoption records. The orphanage had very little information about his origins. I contacted the social worker, and she agreed to dig deeper. A few days later, I received a call. "You need to see this in person." When I arrived, she handed me a file with an attached Document A DNA test. I read it, and my heart stopped. That baby was my own